Stop struggling with Python errors, dependency hell, and Git cloning repos that just won't launch. It's 2026, and if you're still spending hours trying to install local AI models like Stable Diffusion or the latest large language models, you're doing it wrong. There's a single tool that has revolutionized how we use AI locally, Pinocchio. Think of it as the browser for AI. It lets you search, download, and launch almost any open source AI project with literally one click. No coding, no terminal, no headaches. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Pinocchio from scratch, how to navigate the 2026 ecosystem, and I'll even show you how to launch your first local AI model in under 2 minutes. This is the only guide you'll need to master local AI this year. Let's dive in. First things first, let's get the software. You want to head over to the official site, pinocchio.computer. Be very careful here, since Pinocchio is so popular in 2026, there are several copycat sites that might bundle malware. Always ensure you are on the official domain. Click on the download button. You'll see options for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Pinocchio is incredibly versatile, but a quick tip for my Windows users: make sure your system is up to date, as the 2026 Windows kernels have optimized support for the virtual environments Pinocchio uses. The file is relatively small because it's just a browser shell. The heavy lifting happens later when we install the actual AI models. Download the installer for your OS and let's get it running. Once the installer is finished, open it up. Now, the installation process is straightforward, just follow the prompts. When you launch Pinocchio for the first time, it might ask for permission to install drivers or dependencies like Homebrew or Python libraries automatically. Say yes to all of these. This is the magic of Pinocchio. It builds a sandbox for your AI so it doesn't mess up your main computer settings. Once the dashboard opens, you're greeted with the Pinocchio browser. It looks like a clean, dark mode web browser, but instead of websites, it's filled with AI recipes. These recipes are pre-configured scripts that do all the hard work for you. You'll see everything from the latest Flux 1.5 image generators to local GPT 5-level chatbots that run entirely offline. Let's actually install something so you can see how easy it is. Let's look for a popular image generator like Stable Diffusion Forge. Simply click the download icon. Pinocchio will show you exactly what it's doing. It's downloading the models, the weights, and the interface. In 2026, many of these models are quite large, sometimes 10 to 20 gigabytes, so make sure you have enough SSD space. While that's downloading, notice the logs tab. If anything ever goes wrong, you can see the exact error here, but 99% of the time, Pinocchio handles it automatically. Once it's done, the download button turns into a launch or play button. Click it and within seconds you have a professional grade AI running locally on your hardware.